Alrighty, good afternoon, and welcome to tonight's introduction to simplerstocks.com video. This is Neil Yeager, going to be with you tonight for the videos here. Wanted to look at a little something here that I had my eye on today, something I'm really kind of still concerned about, and that is the transports here. Not been terribly happy with the transports and the way they've been trading since literally back here in like mid-April, where we got a cross down below the averages, and we've been basically dragging the averages really lower since. 8 below 21, below 34, price remains below 8, etc. We tried to hold some support in this 86-ish area for a little while, but yet we've since just broken down below that. Return yesterday on the bid was basically not even really back to what was support, and prices failed again today. So that really, doesn't bode well for stocks. I don't really see stocks necessarily continuing to advance higher without the transports. But on the other hand, now I was pleasantly surprised to see the financials and the strength that sort of remained in the financials today. It wasn't all that terribly well bid, but yet did not continue to fall apart like the transports. And so with that, I started taking a look at a couple of things that may find of interest. Bank of America, for one, with a bid today, was kind of nice to see. It's holding its averages quite well. One of my favorites actually in this sector is Wells Fargo, and I was quite happy, and still really quite happy with the way this is holding up. I mean, it's holding its 8 and 21s quite well. That's one deviation off its mean there. That basically coincides with that 21 EMA. So it's, I'm happy with the continued uptick there as well. And then the other watching closely today was JP Morgan. It also had a little bid today, as we can see, fresh new buy signal, etc. So all's not lost out there. I'm not sure how many of you attended the webinar that John Carter offered last night, but for those of you who did, you know that we looked through the IBD's top 10 performing sectors, one of which is the pharmaceutical and biotech. So we've obviously been quite focused on that sector. I'll give you a couple of ideas here, leave you with these. Here's Roche, and it looks good. I mean, it has really looked good if you go all the way back into early February, wherein ultimately, obviously, it had a bad January, but so did an awful lot of things. If you recall, January was quite the rough month for stocks overall. Let's see, give you a couple more here. Look at Therapeutics MD, nice bid today, holding this last retrace into 34 EMA, 2 deviations off the mean, held it quite nicely. Bid comes in today, holds the 34, nice uptick, 1.5% or so there today. And then one of my very, very favorites in this sector, we've been all over this one in the trade room, been enjoying this one quite well. BM Squibb, Bristol Myers Squibb. I mean, there is really nothing at all broken about that chart. I'm very pleased to see the way every time it retraces back into its averages, it holds. That irregardless of what the overall market, may be doing. This pharmaceutical and biotech sector has been, quite friendly to us. Like I said, since, really since the beginning of the year. And so I come to you with those couple of ideas tonight. I hope this helps. And let me hop over into the premium video. We've got an awful lot to cover over there. Portfolio is looking pretty good. Couple up, couple down today, but overall holding up quite well. So hop over into there, leave you with this. Hope this helps. You guys have a good trade. Nice evening. And catch you at the next update. Good night.